Looking for details on off-road caravans? Last week, Carl touched on how important racing can be to the continual improvement of caravan design and technology. Competition forces manufacturers to entirely rethink every system on their off-road caravans in order to be lighter, more agile and more efficient than their competitors. Materials thought to be too weak, components that appear too small and geometries adapted from completely different industries are all parts of challenging the "that's how we've always done it" mentality and enable new generations to create caravans previously unimagined due to the thought processes of yesterday's designers and machinists. I gained an appreciation for venturesome design at a young age. Drag racing motorbikes I fabricated with old parts I acquired at swap meets, and raw materials left over from my grandfather's machine shop. I didn't have the money to buy hot rod performance parts, so I was forced to make my own. Working with limited resources and machinery from the Mesozoic era, I learned how to repurpose old scraps and work around the inadequacies of dilapidated tools. Contact our company shortly for more details on off-road caravans.